Hi, I'm Jiong Rui. I'm a Year 4 Material Science and Engineering student here at the National University of Singapore. And here I'm to introduce Material Science and Engineering to you all as part of CDE. So the first question you might ask is, why did I pick Material Science and Engineering? So Material Science and Engineering, to introduce what it is firstly, is actually the study of materials itself and how do we characterize them and use them for future applications in day-to-day life. So now the question is, why did I pick Material Science and Engineering? In this case, you can see all of these pictures of me and my friends chilling and eating together as part of a greater community. And this, I think, is one of the greatest benefits of being in Material Science and Engineering. The small cohort size enables us to be incredibly bonded, not only between our friends, but also between our lecturers and professors in the academic staff. Another reason why I picked Material Science and Engineering would be the translation to traditional sciences such as physics, chemistry, and biology into applications to day-to-day life, such as energy, biomedical applications, soft robotics, and even 2D materials if you're ambitious enough. So now begs the question, what can you do in Material Science and Engineering? Well, in short, the answer is lots. There are many opportunities for you to try many new things. While I cannot give you the exhaustive list, I can only show you what I have done in my last 4 years in Material Science and Engineering. So firstly, in terms of what are my academic journey in Material Science and Engineering, I am a bachelor's in MSc, but I'm also specializing in sustainable materials and sustainability. And I'm also a minor in economics. CDE's broad and flexible curriculum structure enables for you to be able to plan and maneuver and move around so that you'll be able to plan for yourself and for your interests. In terms of what I've lived on campus, I've actually lived on campus in Residential College 4 under the University Town College program. And as you can see, I'm also very involved in in various college activities, such as this one over here. This is a writing club that I organize with my friends called Orca Stories. And we've basically helped here to publish a publication for the college where we have published all sorts of stories from the people in the college to show and build a community in RC4. In RC4, I've also done systems dynamics or system thinking. In this case, I've embarked on this self-initiated research project to try and model Singapore's energy security to 2050 as part of a system dynamics approach. Because my project was successful, I was able to bring my project overseas to the International System Dynamics Conference held live in Chicago, where I presented amongst many industry experts and academicians. I'm very happy for this opportunity, as well as the ability to communicate and converse with all of these experts to how we can bring Singapore and the world to net zero carbon emissions as part of our sustainability efforts. In addition to all of my research in RC4, I've also done research in Material Science and Engineering. I've also worked on energy systems such as zinc-ion batteries, where I published a review paper where I'm the first author on the challenges and strategies on how can we develop zinc-ion batteries for the future. I've also worked on aerogels. As you can see, that black cylinder over there is actually a piece of aerogel that I've made from graphene. And that's a zinc-ion battery on the right-hand side over there, where I've made in a coin cell fashion. In addition to all of the research that I've done, I've actually went to Thailand as part of an exchange immersion program with my friends in Material Science and Engineering. I'm also very grateful for Material Science and Engineering to be able to sponsor me to this trip. And I had made many new friends in Thailand, as well as my own friends from other cohorts in Material Science and Engineering in this exchange program. I've learned much about the Thai culture, as well as the overall experience in their own native language, as well as their own materials design mechanisms. I've also done various internships in CDE. Specifically, I've also done an internship firstly in A-Star, where I worked in the Low Carbon Energy Research Coordinating Office, where I was working with various government ministries to be able to coordinate government efforts towards net zero carbon emissions in Singapore. My second internship brought me to a manufacturing firm, Edward Life Sciences, where I was working on biomedical devices for cardiac systems. So that concludes the end of my presentation. If you'd like to learn more about material science and engineering, you can scan the first QR code for more information. If you'd like to find out more about the other programs in CDE, you can scan the second QR code. And once again, I thank you all for your kind attention.